Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back, and today we're doing something different. This is the first of my more like lifestyle slash vloggy videos. So today I'm going to be doing some spring cleaning. I say spring cleaning because it's summer, but I have way too many clothes. So today we're going to be going through getting rid of stuff. So if you're interested in style, or if you just want to be kind of like sneaky, peeky, nosy into my closet, keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the closet. She's pretty full. Now here's why I'm going through this. All of these are baskets of clothes and things down here, and I want to utilize this like shelving unit, and there's like more space down in here. Hopefully the lighting's good enough you guys can see, but there's more like shelving and stuff back in here and some hooks and things that I think I can do better with this. But this top part is just so crammed full right now that like I can't put all of this stuff away. So I think what I'm gonna go through and do, at least on the first pass, is leave anything that I know I want. And then I'm gonna make two piles on my bed here. I think I'm gonna make a pile of get rid of, or like donate, or whatever, you know. And then a pile of maybes, like I think I like it, but I haven't worn it in a while, so should I keep it type thing. So I'm going to set the camera up on the tripod and just kind of do a little fast forward montage here of me doing this. This is one of 3 closets I have clothes in my house. So we'll go through those, and then I'll probably occasionally stop and maybe talk about a piece if it's something that it's like why I'm getting rid of it or why I really love it, things like that. Alright, so I tried to give you a little shot here so you can see as I'm going through. I'm also going to take stuff out like this if it's empty for the time being. And so like I said, I'm going to kind of speed it up here. And if there's something I'm pulling out, I have stuff on here with the brand new tags on it, never worn. I do like this though, just it wasn't dress season, now it is, but it's July, so in Ohio it's very hot, and this is long sleeves, so just waiting for the perfect season. But like I said, I'm going to go through these, pull out any hangers that are empty and anything that's questionable about whether I want to keep it. So right away I'm going to say this one is a maybe. It's a very low scoop neck, and I just don't really wear stuff that's low like that, so it's not for sure, but it's a maybe, so I'm going to pull the maybes as well. So this is another one that's brand new. It has the tags on it. I liked it in store, but I guess I didn't realize how much this sleeve poofed out on the bottom there. Maybe you can see like here in the stitching. So I'm not sure. I probably need to try it on again to see how I feel. So some stuff, it's just a texture thing. Like this feels like sweatery material that I truly would never wear. Like I don't even know why I bought this. I have a lot of issues with like sensory issues, I guess you would say. So like this makes me feel like I'm chewing aluminum foil just touching it. I don't know why I even own this. I had it layered with another top underneath on the hanger. Actually, I really like the top, but the sweater's gotta go. So all in all, here we are afterwards. I honestly didn't pull that much. I thought I would pull a lot more. There was just a lot more I wanted to keep than I thought. So There's some room, but I don't like to totally cram it so full that it's like heavy to move the way it is now. So I'm probably not gonna add any more to this closet like I thought. I did pull some empty hangers out, but I have more room in another closet. So we're gonna go to closet 2. Sorry if my lighting is a little funky. I'm in a different room and I'm just using my indoor lights, no softbox or ring light or anything, but here's the second closet. It's a lot bigger. And again, there's just a bunch of junk piled in here, and I feel like this space could be much better utilized, especially like it goes up so high to the ceiling. I have some stuff in here, a few things hanging, but not much. I mostly just have these like empty things that you can hang on, so I can hang some stuff in here. Ooh, this is my bridesmaid's dress for my brother's wedding happening in September, so I have it separated so I don't lose it. So there's not really that much to go through here, but there's just a space. I also have this entire space. So this is a weird situation. Let me zoom out. There's like a wall between this closet, which has no doors or anything. I kind of want to change that too. And then this little closet as well. It's kind of weird. Like there's all kinds of hooks and a big shelf up there, and a bar as well to hang things. So I can put a lot in here. I'm just not utilizing the space. So once I figure out what I'm keeping, I can go through and organize and categorize and things like that. So, and I have like clothes in these, like stuff that needs hung up. I also have this big like standing armoire situation in this room. This is actually what I'm gonna go through next. So again, I'm gonna pull out like empty hangers that have nothing on them. There's quite a few in here actually. And there's a lot of room in here. You guys can probably see this entire section is empty. But I don't know if I really want this standing extra. It's kind of wobbly thing. I had this like for college when I didn't really have a dresser. But because I have all that closet space I just showed you, I may eventually just get rid of this, like sell it or give it away to somebody. But for now, the clothes are in here and I'm just going to go through and see if there's anything I want to get rid of. So I also have a lot of pieces, if you've watched my Get Ready With Me's recently, like this one, that are so nice and I love, but frankly I can't fit them right now. They're too small. I've gained about 15 pounds since, you know, quarantine and all that started. So some of that stuff like I'm not getting rid of because I have the hopes that I will be able to get into those again. I'm trying to do my best. Had kale salad for lunch, so you know, it is what it is. I'm not wearing Hollister and this is a medium. Like, in what year could I fit this or wear this? This is something like I won't be able to fit again. It's still in very good condition, very nice, but someone else could be wearing it. Like, it's so thick and warm and nice, but it could find a better home, you know. It's just hanging in my closet. See, I have another one of these. This is a maybe, where it's like the dress is cute, but it's such a plunging neckline, and I don't normally go for that. So that's going to be in the maybe stack. Alright guys, so I've got one more closet to show you all here. Got one more closet here. This one is terrible lighting. I'm so sorry for that, but there's a little bit of a situation going on here. I need a little repair. Wesley tried to fix it, and it's something with the wiring in the attic, so we need a professional. But this is actually the closet in my filming room, my new filming room with my new setup. Like, here's my backdrop you guys have seen in my last couple of videos. So I'd like this to be eventually maybe like a filming closet. Again, there's like shelving and storage at the top. I have a few clothes in here, so lots of hangers, a few clothes. So we're gonna go through this one lastly. I think a lot of this is newer stuff, so if it looks like I'm not pulling a lot from here, that's why. I did pull a few things though. And then like down here, once again, I have like Tupperware of clothes. Okay, guys, so here's what we got so far. We got our stack of hangers. We have our go pile, things that's like, I don't wear this. I don't. Like, I probably won't. You know, I'm a teacher, like, I like to dress this way sometimes, but not a lot, and I really don't know if I've ever worn this, and it's just not that cute to me. Or like this, like, hi, I'm turning 30, not 60, so can we just not? I don't know what my thoughts were there. Then we have the maybe pile. So these are things I think I want to try on one more time just to see, like, do I think it's cute, or like stuff like this where I almost said no, but then I realized I was like, these cute little square buttons. So I don't know. I think that's gonna be all for this video, you guys. I'm just trying to figure out, you know, vlogging, holding the camera still and getting angles and things for you guys. If you're interested in seeing a part 2 of this, this was just like stuff hanging. I have drawers of more clothes, like a lot of drawers, probably like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I probably have close to 10 drawers worth of clothes. So if you want to see me go through those as well, let me know. Or I know this was just kind of more like showing you the space and you didn't get to see that much of the pieces individually. If you guys want to see a video of like maybe me trying on my maybes and you guys giving me your opinion of that's cute, you should keep it, or absolutely not, it needs to go, let me know in the comments below. If you have not already, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not, I'd love it if you would consider subscribing. I make new videos usually once a week. I'm trying for 2 times a week right now, Wednesdays and Sundays, one more lifestyle like this and one more makeup and beauty. So I really hope to see you on the next one, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Oh.